Who wants to make frozen okra in the air fryer? Y'all, I love battered and fried okra, but have you ever had roasted okra? You can roast okra just like any other vegetable and it gets those caramelized crispy edges and it's nice and tender and the flavor is just so incredible. And today we're gonna roast frozen okra in the air fryer in 15 minutes. Y'all asked for more frozen vegetable recipes and this is my latest one. I'm sure you can roast frozen okra in the oven too. I just use the air fryer because it's so fast. It cooks it in half the time that it would cook in a conventional oven and 25% faster than it does in a convection oven. If you're using an oven air fryer, like your whole oven is an air fryer, that's not gonna circulate the air as well, so it might need a little bit longer to cook than it will in my compact little countertop one. If you like this recipe, leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, let's air fry some okra. The cooking times for this recipe are for the cut okra. Whole okra is probably gonna take a bit longer to cook and I haven't tested this recipe with that style of frozen okra. Transfer a bag full of frozen cut okra to a mixing bowl. Spray your okra liberally with some olive oil and then sprinkle on those spices. I'm seasoning my frozen okra with garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and salt, but you can keep it simple with just salt or use whatever seasonings you like. I will say though that the savory, smoky combination of spices here goes really well with roasted okra. Toss it all together really well to coat, and then transfer that to your air fryer basket. Now air fry your okra until it's browned on the edges and looking nice and tender. Halfway through the cooking cycle, shake that basket. That's gonna move the okra around so everything cooks evenly. So our okra is done cooking. I'm gonna make a little curry mayo to dip mine in. You can serve these straight up or you can use whatever dipping sauce you like. I just really love how the curry mayo flavors go well with these spices. So I got my vegan mayo here and I'm just adding a little garlic powder, onion powder, curry powder, salt, and red wine vinegar. Then just mix it together. I love how this creamy sauce goes so well with the savory, slightly crunchy, tender roasted okra. This is such a super easy, low effort side dish. I like to serve it up with some mashed potatoes or rice and some plant-based protein for a super quick, easy weeknight meal. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make frozen okra in your air fryer. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!